So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishnitana Mandela. So today I will do the test ride review on this Odyssey Harpless electric scooter, and we will check the top speed of this vehicle, the suspension, and the cruise control option as well. So let's start this vehicle in the first mode. So right now this is in the first mode. If you want to go to second mode, you simply need to toggle. So in the first mode, let's start with this vehicle. Initially the pickup will be high and you need to be a little careful. In the first mode you can reach up to 40 kph. Now I'm going in second mode. So this is the cruise control option, but if you want to activate the cruise control option, you need to lock the top speed of the vehicle. Still I am finding for a free road here, otherwise because if you reach the top speed, there are some you used to face some speed breakers. That's why it obstructing the top speed. But anyway, the controlling parts is really good on this electric vehicle. But one of the major issue on this electric vehicle is if you stop this vehicle and if you want to turn around, like if you want to turn to the right side, it actually go a little fast, more than the throttle you give. For example, if you give only 1 km speed top speed, it is taking up to 4 km by top speed. So that is something like any vehicle, the accelerator has to listen to you, listen to your hand, but this is opposite way where you need to listen to the accelerator, like it will control you. So that thing you need to practice on this electric vehicle for few days. So only then you come to understand like how to manage this vehicle. So that is one of the minor issue in this vehicle, and sometimes major also. Now let's try this cruise control now. So this is the cruise control option. Here I am not using the throttle now, because the scooter itself accelerates by its own. It will lock to a particular speed once you reach the top speed, but you need to maintain the speed for up to 10 seconds, then it will lock that speed automatically. And you can clearly see I am not using the throttle, but it is moving by its own. So again it will reduce to speed slowly based on the road conditions. So that is one more unique feature in this electric scooter, and they are claiming that this is India's first electric scooter to have this cruise control option. And let me check this vehicle on the speed breaker, and because of this enough ground clearance, it is not touching any lower part of the vehicle. And things to be improved on this electric scooter, such as the dashboard visibility, especially in daylight condition, it is a little dim, but night time the lighting condition is good. Whatever the dashboard visibility is good. And actually I am riding this in the second mode only, and the braking action also good, especially the front brake action is really good, but the rear brake, which is the drum brake action, it is like okay, above average you can say, but it is taking some time, you can see. But I suggest you to ride in the eco mode only, which is the first mode. In first mode you can reach up to 40 kph, and that will give you the maximum battery life. They have claimed up to 170 kilometers of range. So this is the speed breaker. This is just normal petrol vehicle feel here. Again, there's a little more bumps on this. the very medium speed breaker, you don't find any discomfort, but when it comes to a little high speed breakers, then you find a little discomfort. But if you find a group of speed breakers at a time, and that point of time the vehicle is shaking, that point the suspension has to improve on that particular space. So this is the complete overall tested experience on Odyssey Half Plus electric scooter. And for genuine information on electric vehicle, please subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. Go green, go electric.